Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss polarization, or it is also called as Fajan's rule. Now what is this polarization? Polarization is the presence of covalent character in ionic compounds. Let us understand. This is cation and this is anion. Due to more jet effective of cation, or you can say small cation act as a point charge. Now this point charge deforms the electron cloud of an ion. This electron cloud is slightly deforms, or we can say distortion of electron cloud by a cation. Which cation? Which has more jet effective. This causes partial sharing of a electron. These electrons are slightly shared with the cation, and by sharing, covalent character arise. So what is polarization? Presence of covalent character in presence of covalent character in ionic compounds is called polarization, and this covalent character arises by the partial sharing of electron when a cation deforms or distorts the electron cloud of an ion. This is also called distortion of electron cloud. Or we can say deformation of electron cloud, right? And by this partial sharing, covalent character arise in ionic compound. So some ionic compound shows covalent character. Now next two basic terms. First is polarizing power. It is the capacity of cation to get distorted or deforms the electron cloud of an ion, and this polarizing power is directly proportional to ionic potential. Polarizing power is directly proportional to ionic potential. Now what is this ionic potential? This ionic potential is the ratio of E by R. E is the charge of cation and R is the radius of cation, right? Or we can say covalent nature is directly proportional to ionic potential also. Smaller the cation, greater is the polarization, higher the covalent nature. Higher the charge on cation, greater is the polarization, greater is the covalent nature in a ionic compound. Just opposite of it, we have second term, polarizability. It is the ability of an ion to get distorted by cation. It is the ability of an ion to get distorted by cation, and this polarizability is directly proportional to size of an ion and directly proportional to charge on an ion. Polarizing power defines the capacity of a cation. Polarizability defines the ability of an ion to get distorted by a cation. Now let's take some example and understand the polarization. Rule number first. Now what we can see here, an ion is same, an ion is same, and what we can see, size of cation decreases. Why? Lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon, they are the members of period, and in a period size decreases. So carbon here act as a small cation. Size of cation decrease means polarization increase. Smaller cation will deforms the electron cloud more strongly. Polarization increase. Covalent character increase. Right? So order will be this. First rule said when an ion is same and size of cation decrease, polarization increase, covalent character increase. We can apply the same for this. NaCl, MgCl2, AlCl3, SiCl4. Again we can say these are the member of a period, and in a period size of cation decrease, polarization increase. Now rule number second. Charge on a cation. For example, we have MnO, Mn2O3, Mn2O5. Again, an ion is same, but now charge on cation increasing. Manganese here is +2, +3, +5. Higher the charge on cation means it will be smaller cation. If charge on cation increases, polarization increases, covalent nature increases. Right? Second, we can see Fe2O3, Fe3O4. We can clearly see here charge will be more. Third, we can see SnCl2, SnCl4, Sn plus 4 plus 2 greater the covalent nature. PbO, PbO2. Examples are very easy if you understand the rule. If charge on cation increases, polarization increases, covalent nature increases. Right? Now rule number third. Size of an ion. For example, we have lithium fluoride to lithium iodide. Now cation is same, but we can see the anions F negative, Cl negative, Br negative, iodide negative. The size of iodide is greater. Higher the charge on an ion, sorry, size of an ion size of an ion increases, polarization increases, means covalent nature increases. So lithium iodide will be more covalent. Right, this is the rule number 3. When an ion, size of an ion increases, polarization increases, covalent nature increases. Next, rule number 4. Charge on an ion. For example, we have lithium fluoride, lithium oxide, lithium nitride. Again, we can see cation is same. Cation is same, but what we can see, charge on an ion increases, -1, -2, -3. So polarization, if a charge on an ion increases, means polarization increases and a covalent nature increases. Right? Let's take some more example. NaClO4, Na2SO4, Na3PO4. Again, cation is same, but now we can say charge on an ion increases, -1, -2, -3. So polarization increases, covalent nature increases. Right? Next, NaCl, Na2S, Na3. We can see charge -1, -2, -3. Polarization increases. So what we have learned, we are going to conclude it. Conclusion is we have 4 conclusions. Small cation. First we have learned small cation. Second, large anion. Smaller the cation, larger the anion, greater will be the polarization. Greater will be the deformation, distortion of a electron cloud. And high charge on cation and high charge on anion. Small cation, large anion, high charge on ions favors the covalent bond, covalent nature. Favors the covalent. Correct. Right? So by this we can find out the presence of covalent character in a ionic compound, and they are called polarization or Fajran's rule. That's it for complete polarization. One numerical one question may be asked in examination to increase, write the increasing or decreasing order of polarization in given compounds. That's it. Stay at home, keep exploring my channel, and if you still didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe it.